Greetings, my beauties, salutations, my cuties. You know who I am, right? It's your girl, Monty's Life featuring beauty. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to this little micro channel. And you know how I am with Shop Miss A hauls. Yes, we're going to start off with a small one that, guess what? You sponsored. I have gotten a big old box in my room that you sponsored by using my affiliate link, which I thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Um, when I wake up, because I just got off of work, 6 o'clock in the morning, I did the triple S. I showered and skincare, okay? And I said, you know what, let me do the smaller haul first, and then I'm going to go to sleep. And then when I wake up, I got the weekend off. But we ain't going to get into that. You know how every time I talk about I'm weekend off and this and that, I'll end up doing shit. But we going to do the damn thing today, okay? All right. I didn't even open it up, so you know what time it is. Got to pause just for a second to you, but it might be like 10 years to me. You know? All right, be right back. Okay, as you can see, we got the flotation device, all arms and legs and heads in the vehicle at all times. I don't think I have to pop this one. But, as you know, Shop Miss A has finally released their skincare line. And you're like, Shop Miss A? Who the heck is Shop Miss A? Well, Shop Miss A is a wonderful $1 and up website full of now skincare, pampering things like bath bombs and shower fizzers and lotions and potions and to put you in so many motions, okay? But they are a wonderful website. As you can tell from all my hauls, I can't get enough of them. I really need to slow down because, but anyway, if you spend $35 or more, you get free shipping. And if you spend less than $35 in the United States, it is $3.95. They do ship internationally. I do not know their international rates, but as you know, I will always leave my affiliate link below and also a link straight to Shop Miss A as well. Okay, now the first product up is some of their new skincare. Yes, I couldn't resist. Even though I can't, I may sound like I'm kissing good molecules, but I am loving their skincare, especially their discoloration correction serum. Like, I want you guys, this spot right here, it used to be darker and bigger. This is actually a keloid. So I have keloidal, you know, skin, and I do have a lot of, like keloids over here, just little baby ones here. I'm polka dotted. You could probably connect the dots and form a picture. But I said, why not give Shop Miss A try? I mean, you don't get as much as you do with Good Molecules, and their products are small, which I do like that they are travel friendly. And this is the first product up, which is their niacinamide 2% plus BHA. I did do a little bit of research on certain things, like what certain numbers meant, and that'll come up in some other products. But you get 0.68 fluid ounces or 20 milliliters. It does have a twist off cap, but it's you just don't twist this off. This is not a one-time use, okay? As you can see, this top is actually reversible. Once you remove this, you flip it over in order to close the product back up. And this is going right into my skincare fridge, which I don't have to plug it up because it is so cold in my beauty room, so to speak, or my extra bedroom, if you want to call it. I don't even need to, spend more on electricity. I'll wait until probably when the weather starts to warm up, and I'll plug up my refrigerator. But this is a moisturizer, okay? And they give you the instructions on the back. And if you are interested, it has a pH level of 5.5. And I believe that's like the perfect range, and they don't want you to go up above a pH level of 6. Then it becomes acidic. So, you do your research about skincare. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. I got 2 more of these cocktail. Wait, do I have? Yeah, I already have this one. I don't have this one, but I ordered 2 more just to see what colors I would get. And I've already hauled. They're like, champagne flutes, but there's the doe foot on the inside, and it does give you that lava lamp effect with oils, I guess, different colored oils. I'm not sure, I'm sure I'm not trying to even discuss the molecular structure of these lip glosses, but they do smell nice. They are, slick, not too sticky, not too oily. So if they're still available on the site, and all their skincare is still available on the site. And I always tell you if something is sold out. You know how we do over here, right? Anyway, beauties and cuties, what you guys got going on this weekend? Like I said, I'm going to mostly be doing hauls, and when I come back to you refreshed and recharged after sleeping, I won't look so crusty and rusty, okay? I'm going to actually put some makeup on because I've been in a makeup mood lately. All right. Up next, we have the Squalene 100,000 ppm. The ppm stands for parts per million. And what I had researched into my understanding, this is, I believe it's like 10% squalene amongst their other ingredients. This is also 0.68 fluid ounces or 20 milliliters. This is another barrier cream moisturizer, and they are different color coded to take care of your skin needs. Like I believe this is like for, just everyday care. The green packages are mostly for people with more acne prone and or oily skin. But like I said, I will leave the link down to Shop Miss A below so that you can, read up on it if you are interested in their skincare. And just so you know, these are not $1. Would be nice, but this is the cheapest skincare I've ever bought other than the dollar store or even on Shop and Say what they've offered. But it's just a step up from their $1. These are $1.77 a piece. Okay. So, and these are 100% recyclable. They are, of course, cruelty free, and they are good for 6 months. 6 months after you open them up. Now, up next, we have the 5,000. I don't know what the DA stands for. I forgot to look that up. But I'm not sure if this is just, like, it might be 5% hyaluronic acid. This is a toning solution. It has a pH level of 6.5. And it's the Care for Your Skin Clean formula. This is not any part of their, like, charity line or anything like that. But it is their new skincare line. This is also $1.77. And this is another toning solution. Now this has a pH level of 4.0. I'm sure there's probably, because it is an AHA toner, which I believe is like a chemical, like peel almost to your skin. Yes, it says it exfoliates and it brightens. So I still have to do some more research on AHAs. But it does say that this AHA 7% toner is effective in clearing dead skin cells from the epidermis and pores. It smooths skin texture and helps improve pigmentation and uneven skin tone. And it does let you know, I don't know if you could see it, when to use it. Like, you use this at night only, because I'm sure it has some reaction in the sun. And you can use the squalene AM or PM. You can use the niacinamide AM or PM. And you can use the hyaluronic acid AM or PM. I'm sure they want you to keep, like, the more acidic toners and stuff to use at night, and you regenerate your skin cells better as you sleep anyway. So, and got 2 more things. Yeah, that's a toner. Got 2 more things. This is their pH 5.5 Cica and Licorice Root. This is a gel cleanser. You can use it morning or night. The pH level is 5.5. It says it deep cleans and it brightens. It's non-drying and super gentle. It says this gel cleanser has a pH balance of, I already said it, to effectively and gently balance your skin. It is packed with brightening and soothing ingredients to remove impurities. After cleansing, skin is left balanced, hydrated, and refreshed. Okay. Then this one is a cleansing water. Their coconut water complex of 10%. Also the same pH balance of 5.5. It says this soothes skin while cleaning, but if you do not like coconut or if you're allergic to coconut, please steer clear of this toning water. They do, like I said, the other is they have alternatives for you. Like if you don't like certain ingredients as they don't agree with you, I'm sure you can find something that you can add to your skincare and save a whole bunch of coin, okay? It says this pH balanced cleansing water dissolves and melts away makeup without disturbing the skin's moisture barrier, leaves the skin clean, balanced, and hydrated after cleansing. No need to rinse. This fresh formula leaves no residue. It says you can use this AM or PM. And they was busting it out when it came to the skincare. They have some more skincare, after I had ordered this. This is their first launch, rollout, or whatever, their first wave. Now they have released a second wave of biodegradable sheet masks and I believe other toners and other goodies. And I ordered those too. So, I believe that's it for all the skincare. Now, Tony, got something for you. Well, unless you win the giveaway, you'll be getting some of these, things that I've shown before. But I got some more headbands. I had to go back and get this cute, they have it listed as brown, but this is showing up to me as like a camel color, rust, or pumpkin. They're pearl encrusted headband. You've seen, I just hauled these in my last haul. And these were new to me. These were the Sherpa headbands. So as you can see, I got it in gray. It has like some extra, bits and bobs that I have to peel off. Your black band with the teeth on the inside. And I got it in cream, or shall I say winter white, or ivory. I love wearing that color during the winter. Okay. Got your sons of guns. Well, no, they're slightly different. Okay. Also got another Sherpa headband in the mauve or blush or, smoky pink, if you want to call it. And those are still available on the site. These are sold out. These next two headbands I'm going to show you, they called these the leopard print velvet headbands. And at first I thought they were the same thing, but as you can see, they are two completely different patterns. This one is, as you can see for yourself, this one's more warmer toned and that one's a little bit lighter. And like I said, these are the last three headbands, but they are for when you want to pamper yourself, you want to feel a little bit extra special. They have a ton of these on the site, but what stood out to me with these is that it had pearls in the bow. So, and it is super soft. And it is a thinner band, because like most of the the fluffier bands, I've seen that they were thicker, but this is kind of cute. Okay. Oh, I love the smell of new stuff. It smells like the mall. I haven't been to the mall in years. Well, my local mall. Anyway, it ain't even worth it to go, so I just stay my fat ass home and order online. All right, and I also purchased pink and blue, so might just have to throw one of them in the giveaway too. Like I said, depends. I didn't forget that I have to come back and give you guys the instructions, because it'll be easier for me to just have a post for the giveaway so I can read all your comments. And like I stated before, that I am adding in a $25 gift certificate or gift card to either Shop Miss A, Sephora, or Ulta. The winner will be able to choose. And so I'm going to pre-screen you guys that enter the giveaway in order to have everything set up, so when I mail you out your package, everything is together and blah blah blah. Happy woo, yay. Okay, all right, beauties and cuties, that's just the end of this little haul. But like I said, I need to go knock out for a little while, but I will be back, my babies. All right, love you so much. Have a blessed day, not a stressed day while my eyes are shut. And I'll see you, in the next episode. Mwah.